Good night, tutor and classmates. My name is Angela Garcia. Today I'm going to talk about what is dialect. Okay, to start, a dialect refers to a branch of a language with its branch different terms are used for different things. The dialects are usually formed around particular religions. Remember, a dialect is entirely different words or ways of communicating altogether. A dialect is distinct by its vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation, where a distinctions can be made only terms of pronunciation. To continue, I will show you some types of dialect. So, for example, the first one is geographic and according with the region. For example, the regional dialect are varieties associated with the speakers living in a particular location for many hundreds of years. The second part or the second type of dialect is social. It's also known as social of a variety language that reflects social variation in language used according to certain factors with the social group. To continue in that way, I will show you some examples about in the Colombian context. In that case, to applying the dialect in Colombia. So, for example, the first, it's many dialects in Colombia, but I will show you only 5. The first one, it's according with the dialect is spoken in the islands San Andres and Santa Catalina. That is a mixture of Caribbean Spanish. That is when you say costeño. The second one, it's according with the Santanderiano. It's spoken in the Northeast as like a little example is when you refers or use a common word that is usted. The next example, it's according with dialect that is Paisa, that is spoken in Antioquia Caldas, using as a vos instead of tú. That is the little example about this dialect. The next one is the Chocuano, that is spoke through the Pacific coast as esto, señore, instead of estos, señores. That is the little example. Another example is the roller that is spoken in Bogota. The dialectic is so neutral in a point of the middle that it's so polite. The majority of people that is rolo or is rola, the majority of time their dialect it's so polite, so middle, because the people it's so kind. This is all for today. I hope that you understand very well my presentations. Thanks for your attention.